Sorry. Wow, I'm going to start off.
Newgate and Lincoln Central. This train has 5 coaches. First class accommodation is at the rear of the train.
Thank you. Well, hello, and today we're at Grantham, the southern turns of the East Coast Main Line. BBC services from Grand Central, Hull Trains, LNER, Lumo, and did I see East Midlands Railway? Well, if I did, well, stupid on me. Okay, coming in now is an LNER Zoomer. I believe this is from Lincoln Central to London King's Cross. Behind these bushes, you can, I think you might be able to hear an East Midlands Railway service roaring with a service from Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street. This is 800 to 10. The 170 is actually numbered 170 417. So, without being said and done, if I get myself sorted, let's just see what else shall turn up at Grantham. Actually, you can just see there, it's East Midlands Railway. That's working the 1600. This is working the 1557. So, the second time, let's see what else shall turn up at Grantham. Okay, catch me off guard. Incoming is the, don't know, 800 204. Behind it is an LNER Zoomer, now it's parting with a service from Lincoln Central to London King's Cross. I can't remember the number. Hold on. See if I can just about get it. 800 to 10 leaves that service to London King's Cross. I can't remember the time. I'll have to give you that once we depart. Okay, getting ready to depart now. Will be 170 417 with the 1600 East Midlands Railway service from Norwich to Liverpool Lime Street via Nottingham. And by the way, the LNER Zoomer is the 1552. It's running about 8 minutes late. And that East Midlands Railway is bang on time. Okay, getting ready to start now. I believe it's the 1552 running 9 minutes late, or is it? No, 9 minutes late. Will be LNER service to Lincoln Central, but by 800 204. Okay, the next train's come through, will be an LNER Zoomer going from Edinburgh Waverley to London King's Cross. City of Darlington, 801 207. Great spots on the pantograph as well. Okay, I think I might have done it too early, but we have a Grand Central Atlantic about to pass through. I believe it's running from London King's Cross to Sunderland.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 1608 Hull Trains Caravan service to London.
Don't really know what the numbers are, as it doesn't show on the bumpers what train that is.
The next train to arrive at platform 4 will be the 1608.
Okay, the next train to arrive will be the 1608 Hull train service from Hull to London King's Cross, weirdly. it's a double. For some reason, I've only seen a double pair of 802s only once. And that was the last time I came here, which was about a year ago. If that. So leading is 802-301. And I'll get... Thank you, brakes. And I'll get the rail once we depart. Okay, flying down the line will be another LNER Zoomer. Not too sure where it's to. It's from London King's Cross. I think that was 801-220. And I'll double check where she is going to in the next clip. Okay, catch me off guard. We have a 158 with a service, I believe, from Manchester Piccadilly to Norwich via Peterborough. If I just walk here and I get the number once she departs, because, well, I had no idea this was meant to be coming in. And I'll get the time as well in the next clip. Oh, that LNER Zoomer that came through platform 2, that was going to Edinburgh Waverley. And catching me off guard again is 802-301 with the... I think this is the 1608 Hull train service to London King's Cross. And on the way is 802-303. The East Midlands Railway service on platform 4 is the 1607. Nice sparks from the pantograph on the 802. Okay, the next train to go through will be an LNER Zoomer. I have no idea where it's from, but it's going to London King's Cross. That was 800-208. As coming in will be a pair, looks a pair, yeah, it is a pair of 800s, 801s, however you want to say it. LNER Zoomer from London King's Cross, I think it said Leeds. I tell a lie, that East Midlands Railway service is not the 1605, it's actually 1607, it's actually the 1615. So, rolling her way in is 801-102. And in the middle is 801-104. Brilliant. Okay, now departing is an East Midlands Railway service from Manchester Piccadilly to Norwich via Peterborough. This is the 1615, so we're 158812. I believe getting ready to depart now will be the 1617 LNER Zoomer service from London King's Cross to Leeds. As behind this should be another LNER Zoomer from absolutely no idea to London King's Cross. And plus, I never checked where the other Zoomer that passed through in platform 1, I never checked, so I will check after this clip. Actually, I'll check now. No, I won't. I won't. So your leading is 801 109, another 5-car Azuma. Okay, I believe getting ready to depart now will be the 1621 LNER service from Newcastle to London King's Cross, and the other Azuma that I filmed going from platform 1, that's making a service from Harrogate. So that was worked by 801 109. Could do with a very big clean as well. Nothing rare but trains, but just look at that. That's beautiful. Well, it's phenomenal. It's just the sun going down. Well, it's just lovely here. Again, the next train to arrive will be the 1629 East Midlands Railway service from Nottingham to Skegness, or at least I think it's Nottingham.
Please don't smoke or drink at this station.
It is worked by. Is it? Correct me if I'm wrong. But is that the old cross-country delivery? Please let me know in the comments if it is. But it's 170 206. Okay, getting ready to depart now. Will be the 1629 East Midlands Railway service to Skegness. About 170 206, and I'm sure that is the old cross country. Plus, I've always wondered, why are people going Skegness this late? Like, the time is 16:29. I just told you. Because we've got trains that's departed so much behind the see if there's any trains. Why are you going this late? Like, it just makes no sense. Well, there we are. There we're about to have another LNER Azuma pass by, going from London King's Cross to Edinburgh Waverley. Uh, 801 212. And I just love those units, especially when they do the sparking from the pantograph. Oh, they're just no words. Okay, we have 2 trains coming in here. The first one is an LNER Azuma. We'll be working the 1639, running 2 minutes late, going from London King's Cross to Newcastle. And behind me will be an East Midlands Railway service. 801 107 leads us in, 5-car Azuma. East Midlands Railway service leads to walkover. There it is. So we're one of the class 170. 17510 bringing this service in. Oh no, it's actually to Nottingham from Skegness.
To London King's Cross. Calling it Peterborough and London King's Cross. This train has 9 coaches. First class accommodation is at the front of the train.
Thank you. Catch me off guard. With 2 trains, one departing, one coming in. The train arriving is an LNER Azuma. Who? What else would it be? With a service from Leeds to London King's Cross. The other one is departing. I think this is the 1643. The other one I have no idea. leading is almost said 82 there, 801 to 11. Yep, good to know. Well, I'm not going on the train, am I? Thank you. Sorry, let's look at the East Midlands Railway. As now departing is the 1643 LNER service to London King's Cross from Leeds. As we have another LNER Zuma coming down the service from London King's Cross. I have no idea where it's going. (801 202). I want to say that's to Edinburgh, but I will double check. Okay, sorry for the fans. Getting ready to part now with the 1646 East Midlands Railway service from Skegness to Nottingham. The other LNER, the LNER that passed through on platform 2, that was making a service to Bradford Foster Square. 175.10. It's the number on that train.
We also recommend making regular checks on your luggage throughout your journey, especially at station stops. Just remember,
As we can see it over there as well. So it's only a 2-car Zuma. No, not a Zuma, you idiot. Class 170. This might be dodgy. Zoom in. You can just about see it there. Sorry for the dodgy camera work. I don't have my camera stand. I lost it, so I can't film any videos without the dodgy camera work. Sorry. Okay, the next train to come through will be a Grand Central Adelante, going from London King's Cross to I want to say that's going to Sunderland, but I will double check that, and I couldn't find it. I couldn't get the numbers for you, I'm afraid. So yeah, I think that's going to Sunderland from London King's Cross. But I will double check. The next train tomorrow will be the 1701 East Midlands Railway service from Norwich via Peterborough. Well, it's via Peterborough, but there we are, to Liverpool Line Street via Nottingham. So, leading. It's right by 170.424. Let's go over here. Next calling point will be Nottingham. Okay, the next train to disturb the peace will be another LNER Zuma going from London King's Cross to York. I think it was 801 220. I would look on real-time trains, but I don't want to cheat. Nice sparking pantographs. Again. Okay, coming around the corner will be a Grand Central Adelante running 2 minutes from Sunderland to London King's Cross, as we have an East Midlands Railway service departing with a service to Liverpool Line Street. I have no idea what the number is, so we quickly go over here to find 172.424 heading off to Liverpool Line Street via Nottingham from Norwich.
give yourself plenty of time. Train doors may be closed and locked after 1 minute before the departure time of the train.
Again, the next train to come through will be another LNER Zuma. I have no idea where it's going, but it's from London King's Cross. Looks to be just a 9 car. Uh, 801226. Again, I have no idea where that's going, but I'll check. Actually, I'll check now. Hold on. Sorry for the dodgy camera works. Sorry.
The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 1710
That's running.
service to Leeds.
Oh, I don't know.
Call it Retford, Doncaster, Wakefield
Oh,
Westgate,
that's
and
to
Leeds. This train has 10
Edinburgh.
First class accommodation is available on the train.
Yeah, that's to Edinburgh, but it's actually we're by 801225. Yeah. Okay, the next train to arrive, come through, will be an LNER Azuma. Could do with a bit of a clean. 801225. Oh, I forgot how you say it. Is it Elendor? I have no idea. From Edinburgh Waverley to London King's Cross. The other LNER was actually 801206. And I was wondering why it wasn't the together one. That's because it's 801226. If that makes sense for you guys. So, yeah. And the next train to arrive will be the 1710 LNER service. And correct me if I'm wrong here, this is a service to Leeds.
Platform 2 of the 1710 LNER Azuma service to Leeds.
There you are.
Retford
Plus, I just checked, so why am I saying correct me if I'm wrong?
and Leeds.
It is a pair.
10
I think, yep, yeah, it's a pair. So, leading is 801101. Could do with a bit of a clean. And then on the rear, a very, very clean 801110. First 5 carriages of the train looks absolutely filthy. But the last 5, I think they've done a very good job. Squeaky brakes. Again, respond now will be the 1710 LNER service, I believe, to Leeds. Why am I saying it is Leeds, you idiot? From London King's Cross with 801101 and 801110. 801110. No, 801. Yeah, 801110. What am I doing? Plus, it's getting very, very cold. I think they should add more dual car 800s, because I just think if you're doing the Aberdeen trains, you need a lot of carriages, because people are going to get off and on trains nearly every day, because I see about 5 trains in the morning going to Aberdeen and from Aberdeen, and then 5 trains to and from Aberdeen in the afternoon. So you're gonna need instead of 9, I think you're gonna need a dual car 800. But LNER know better than me, don't they? Okay, just a moment later, we find another LNER Azuma. How many times have we seen these flipping services today? From I think it's from London King's Cross to, I want to say, Lincoln Central. It is a 5 car, I think. Yeah, yep. 5 car Azuma. Going very slowly, for obvious reasons. don't know if it's accelerating or slowing down. That's loud. 800 202. Oh yeah, it's definitely accelerating. Okay, our final train of the day. Oh, well, actually, it won't be our final train of the day. As coming through now is an LNER Zuma. I have no idea where she is from. 801 101! I have no idea where she is going. And then we have a Lumo service passing through. 803 005 running to Glasgow Queen Street. Okay, our final train of the day will be an LNER 225 set going from Bradford Foster Square all the way to London King's Cross. So leading is 802 223. And then on the rear is 91 119. So, as they continue on, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you do also like and subscribe, it will help me with my channel. Go check out Mr. Nobody Games. I haven't been able to upload recently because, you know, me being busy and stuff, school, everything else. Sadly, we couldn't. If I speak English, we didn't see any whole train services today. There was meant to be a whole train service coming in now, but it got delayed by 17 minutes due to crossing barriers were faulty somewhere near Hull. But yeah, so comment down below to if you want me to do anything more train related as well, or gaming, maybe even react. If you want to make me I should make a channel of me reacting. Maybe another channel for, I don't know, maybe horror, if you want me to do that. But yeah, I might on next. This is a very big might. I might be going to Nottingham, but that's in the summer, so it's going to take a real long time. I want to do a challenge here, maybe trying to well, it's not really over because we have 2 more trains coming in. We have an East Midlands Railway 158 coming in with service to Norwich via Peterborough. And then there should be another LNER Zuma coming in with a service from somewhere to London King's Cross. This is it's not terminating, but it's 5 car. I think this is from Leeds. So do it about turn to find 170 204. This is from Liverpool Lime Street. If we do another walk over here, we find well, I've got to see the number. So it is 800 205. But yeah, me at Grantham was okay. So, without further ado, let's get out of here. So, me at Grantham. Take care, guys. Goodbye.